this video, I'm going to show you how to get lead from an old car battery. A few safety notes. Lead and lead oxides are considered a toxin. Battery acid can burn your skin. Before you cut into the battery, you're going to want to make sure that the acid is drained out so you don't get it all over your skin, because it'll give you skin burns. If you do happen to get it on your skins, keep in mind that water, lots of it, or baking soda mixed with that water will help dilute and neutralize that acid. Magnesium helps your body get rid of heavy metals, and lead is one of them. If you want to buy anything that's been in this video, go ahead and check the link below to see if I have an Amazon listing for it, assuming I can figure it out. I'm not very good at this, but I'm going to give it a try again. So the next step will be, I'm going to cut these open. First I'm just going to make a little incision in them, let them sit for a few minutes, make sure all the gas is out. It should already all be out because these screws have been here. Say it's time to go fire this thing up. So first things first, we need to let the battery acid out. I got some baking powder. If it reacts, we'll know it's acidic. Oh, yeah, it's acidic. So we'll just keep doing this until it's diluted. Now the cells line up like this. We want to try going between those cells. So something like there, you get it. I'm going to go ahead and cut this one just in half. There we go. Yeah, this one has quite a bit of lead. That's good. Let's see here. This right here is the purest form of lead we'll have in here. But all of this corroded stuff, that's what the sodium and potassium hydroxide will turn back into lead, is this stuff right here. Oxidized lead. And zinc. But we'll go ahead and take that out. Make sure you're wearing gloves, good gloves. These are extra thick because this stuff can puncture your gloves. That's that. So I'm gonna take this over the furnace. See you over there. We got some lead. Some of it might have missed. Oh, that's decently heavy. There we go. Looks like we got a bunch. We get a bunch of trash in it, but we'll clean that out right away. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this tray and put it in that other container, and we'll melt it back down in there. Make it a little easier to clean up. Now, since we know potassium hydroxide works by now, I'm going to be adding just a little bit to get this ball rolling. Make sure you got a well-ventilated area. A lot of this plastic is going to be burning off in the fumes, which you don't need to be breathing in. I got some dried out plates that were inside of a battery. I watered them down and got off all the acid. I wanted to put this in here so you could see that. I don't know if my power just went out and back up. I got it on camera. That looks pretty good to me. If you would like to see more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe.